In this session, we will learn about the next primary type, array. It's a compound type, that is grouped values. Here I create a function array_demo. Array is a group of same data type enclosed within square bracket, whereas tuple is a group of different data type enclosed within bracket. Here I create array A, which is of 5 elements with I32 data type, and array months, that is array of str. We can enforce array data type like line 55. It has 5 elements, all are I32 data type. And in line 57 is a filling type array syntax. Here 3 is element value and 5 is count. So 3 filled with 5 times to make an array. Let's run this and see the result. Yes, it shows as expected. Let us create a buffer filled with 8 zeros. We can access array elements using its index position. In line 55 we have months array. In line 56 let me get the first element by months of 0 and print it. Now I create an array with 10 elements with value 1 to 10, and from that print the slice from elements 2 to 5 exclusive, that is 5 not included. We cannot print the slice without its reference operator ampersand, After I add the ampersand, we can print it with debug symbol. If we want to include the last element means, then add the equal symbol in the end range. If we want to print the entire array elements as slice, then no need to give any array range bound. Simply specify the double dot within square bracket. Let us print element at 0th length and array length and size of an array. It prints array's first element as 1 and the length is 10 and the size is 40 bytes because it's a i32 array. Each value take 4 bytes, that is 32 bit, equal to 4 into 8 bit, that is 32 bit, and 10 elements, so 4 into 10 equal to 40 bytes. Let us define a two-dimensional array. And print some element from that two-dimensional array. We can have array of tuple. Here is an example. As from arrays rule, all elements must be the same data type. Here the first tuple has I32 and F64, but I try to change it in third element, so it shows error. Let us run it and print the array of tuple. Now let us try with tuple with array. It's also supported and print can be printed. Thank you.